Yes, family, it's your boy Odain, you know? Yeah, spearfishing with Odain. So, welcome to my quarantine, you know? Yeah, so I'm here inviting you to my quarantine journey, you know what I mean? I was thinking about not to do it, but why not? Let's go for it, guys. Really? So, this is what I call juice. It's different from being back home, you know? You know me that yard, me don't drink out of my glass. Regardless, man, regardless no matter a 5-star hotel, you know. But you know, it's we are in a pandemic time, you know, and you know what I always choose not to say, but it's different. So you know you have to protect yourself. So this is how we get our juice. And when it's say dinner time. And nevertheless, this is what we call dinner. This is the plate, you know. Yeah, man, this is the plate. So, you know, look bad. Like, me have some curry rice here, so. Some veg here, so. Chicken there, so. You know? So good look. No, but that, well, it's not every meal me get, suit me or taste nice. Well, this tastes nice, but this not suit me either. But it tastes better than, some. Most of what me eat. Yeah. So you can find, say, me a full dry that one here, you know. Yeah. No, I go complain and give her thanks because so many people out there right now would do good with this meal. So me not complain. Me eat and full my belly. I'm not home. You know? Like me say, me did decide not to do it. And wife is say me can do it, man. Go ahead and do it, no problem. Remember me just share my life story with you guys. This is part of my life story. Remember the channel based on fishing, adventure and cooking and my life story. So this is part of my life story. But sorry I never call her kitchen CC or Joel in the kitchen and prepare this meal for me. It would nice. You need to come to Canada here, Joel in the kitchen and call her kitchen CC. Cause for sure would I get a proper meal. You know? Okay, girl finger licking too. Yeah man. Me hungry. Me hungry family. You know? So this is it guys. Big up. Yeah. Welcome my beautiful family. Oh, this is what I call dinner today. Another chapter of having dinner in my quarantine, my 14-day quarantine, you know. Yeah, well, it's not actually what I used to, as I say before, and not because as you can see, this is something I don't really, I know it, but I don't remember the name of this. Something similar to cucumber. It's not cucumber. You know, check. Irish. I eat Irish, but I've never eat it like this before. Just check it. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 pieces of chicken. 7 Irish one time only. Oh no. Yeah. Sunrise juice. Sunrise pure apple juice. Boy, this is what they talk about when they say the fittest of the fittest shall survive. Shall survive, you know? Yeah. This is it. This is where it starts. This is part of the journey. Trust me. You know? I have to eat it because there's no more chance. You know? Try to eat as much as I can. I don't like it, but let me say, what am I gonna do? Let's open it and ciao. This is my lifestyle, guys. Yeah. Well, the Irish is not actually a problem. The thing is, guys, is how many? It's too much. Too much. Too many at once, you know? If it was like one piece of yam, 2 dumpling, no problem, yo. But how the hell am I gonna eat up 7 Irish? I'm gonna be gliding, you know? Meat nice. I feel I'm finger them. Meat nice. I go lie on that part, you know? Take a drink. Sunripe juice is a no-no for me also, because that's not my taste. Because I know how this juice make. For all of you who do not know, I know, so that's why I don't like it. This is the road we choose just because of saying a better life. I could be back home in Jamaica with my family, but as we say, we have to do what we have to do to survive, right? So we choose this road to be here, so I guess we just have to tough it out, and yeah, only 6 more days, and as you can see, the day almost finished. So you can say 5 more days, yeah, and all of this will be over. Then we get the chance to prepare our own meal, yeah. like the chicken. For some reason, yeah. And if I too me hungry now, get down in there. Well, me too. See, man. I say, they're on the second Irish now, so God go with me. Eat your ice screen. Them cook it inside of the skin, you know. That's how they cook it here. Wow. I might eat meat too fast because I plan say as soon as I finish with the meat, I'm done. So stick around and see how that go, guys. That's why I'm trying to consume as much of the Irish as I can, because I don't want later in the night then I start crying for hungry and then there's nothing to turn to, you know. This is what we call survival, real survival. This is part of it. It like it start to get nice, or maybe too because the gravy from the chicken mix with it. Because like I said before, the chicken nice. I like the chicken. But like can taste a little bit of not Jamaican, but something nice about it. I believe the spice, the spiciness about it, so maybe that's what bring the taste. Yeah, so 3 so 3 Irish brush off quick and fast. On the 4th one. I like that. I don't taste really bitter. Don't like that one, guys. You just like the chicken. Chicken have a swag, you know. Well, meat done. Guess I'm done. No more. Don't need no more. Cannot. I'm done. Just trying to get the juice from the bone. All I would do this, know what it tastes like, you know, nice. Especially on a Sunday back home in Jamaica. Talk about the turkey neck, bones, and chicken leg, or you know, The pork bone. Thank you. So guys, that's it for me. I'm finished. Yeah. So remember to drop a comment down below and tell me what you think, you know. Yeah, my battery get low for me. Yeah man, drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about it. Yeah, peace.